Hi, my name is Romina Naranjo. This is my work. The topic is my family. Let us begin. For me, my family is the most important because they are the ones who have always been there for me, especially my dad and my mom, who are always there when I need them most and they will never for me. My father, his name is Roberto Naranjo. He has 48 years old. His profession is an economics. His nationality is Ecuadorian. He's a person who likes to be told the truth. He is also very direct, always try to understand others. My mother, her name is Rosangela Cuadra. She has 40 years old. Her profession is engineer. Her nationality is Ecuadorian. She is the person who spoils me everything. She is the best mom, the best anyone can have. My sister, her name is Bianca Naranjo. She has 7 years old. She is a student. Her nationality is Ecuadorian. She's a person that I love with my life. Since I was little, I have always wanted to have a sister, and finally I have her. My aunt, her name is Marta Naranjo. She has 43 years old. Her profession is a plastic surgeon. Her nationality is Ecuadorian. She is the best aunt. I have everyone says we look a lot alike because we are so funny. Very funny. My cousin, his name is Yamin Naranjo. He has 23 years old. His profession is engineer. His nationality is Ecuadorian. He is very funny, very. He is the oldest of all my cousins by the Naranjo. Grandmother. Her name is Zoila Pincay. She has 77 years old. She is a housewife. Her nationality is Ecuadorian. She's a super loving person. She is always cared about her family. She is my second mom. I love her too. This was my exhibition about my family. I hope you like it a lot. Thank you for your attention. Bye!